watches our kids every single day that my husband and I are at work, and I wanted to make sure that I could do something for her that expressed my appreciation, because we can't financially help her out, and this was my way of seeing what we could do.
Since I moved in here, my furnace never worked. And I've called people out, the original company that put it in, and they couldn't figure out what was wrong with it, and they quit coming out to fix it. And I've had other people come out and they could never tell me what was wrong with it. They kept telling me I needed to put in a filter, and they couldn't show me where the filter went. I couldn't find one. So we just kept love patting it to get the heat to go on.
Today we're going to be installing a new Bryant 80% furnace, as well as a new Bryant condenser and coil. Furnace, we're also going to be installing a new AC for you.
What?
Yeah. So you're going to
Are
have...
you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you guys so much.
No problem. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
It's not installed yet, but it will be soon.
I know. Thank you for College Heating and Air. You are the most wonderful company in the world, and I am so grateful for you.